So check it out, guys. Here we are at the Holiday Inn Express coming together behind us. As you see, they're putting up all the window trim, everything like that. So pretty exciting to see it all come together. We're going to be getting up on a JLG as soon as they let us, and getting that second coat on there on that exterior window trim and stuff like that. But yeah, if you're a commercial contractor and you're looking for a company that gets it done right, then choose us at Born to Paint. We definitely got references for any commercial project. This is a great one for us. Yeah, Don Larson has been a great resource for a superintendent. But yeah, give us a call. Born to Paint right there. We'll get the job done for you guys, and get it done professionally and get it done quick. All right, take it easy.